Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you guys decided to drop in today. So like you guys saw, today I will be doing my hairstyle for Independence. Yes, so Independence Day is today. Yeah, I'm weird, but today is Independence. Happy birthday, Bahamas. And what I decided to do, because before I did my hair purple, and you're gonna see it in some photos somewhere on the screen. I did my hair purple and I liked it, so I had this idea. Boom, Deja, why don't you do your hair blue for Independence and then style it? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, because I've seen some persons on YouTube do it and they did it totally wrong and it looked so crazy. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to do it the way I did it before and see if I get better results or the same results, and see if it can look a bit better, or I don't know. But yes, so if you are interested in finding out how to do temporary hair coloring, stay tuned, because it's gonna happen right now. Key thing is water. You're gonna need water because you're gonna need it to be nice and damp when you put the coloring on. This is the coloring that I'll be using, but there really are many kinds of coloring. There's this Mofa Jang one, and then there's also one called paint wax or wet paint or something. Yes, it's all the same thing, but used the same way. I am starting off with parting my hair to the side, because the last time I did it the same way, where I did it with twists in my hair. So I think I'll do the same thing this time. So you have to clear out your hair. Make sure that it is nice and cleared out, so that when you put the product on, it glides on way much more smoother, and that you don't put too much on it. You want to limit as much excess as possible, but at the same time you still want it to be on enough so that you can actually see the color. So when you put the first set on, of course I rub it in my hands, and you start from the bottom with a little, and then gradually you move up. For me, I just want it on the ends of my hair, because I want to create the illusion of the Bahamian flag. So that is what I'll be doing. I haven't really thought about how I'm going to incorporate the gold, but we'll get to that bridge when we get there. So now I'm going to twist it. And at this point, the wax was gliding on really nicely, and it really defined your curl. I mean, to be honest, this is actually acting as a styling cream or curling cream or twisting butter or something, because of how the texture is and the way it defines your curls and makes your hair so manageable to twist. I mean, look at that. And it happened the first time I used it. And now, if you're a person who likes color and you want to style your hair, this could be an option for you. Seriously, it really could. So I'm gonna put water on it. Remember, water is a key component. Make sure your hair is damp so that it does not glide on dry hair. I hate how this looks on dry hair, to be honest. It's just a personal preference of mine to use water, and that's why I emphasize it so much. But yes, remember not to put too much, but just enough. And we're trying to keep the gradient of the blue at the end and leaving the roots dark, so that creates the illusion or the effect of our Bahamian flag. Okay guys, so I am done and this is how it looks and I am loving it. Look at the color. Ooh, look at the color. Yeah, I love the color. Listen, when I do the purple one, I love purple, my favorite color. However, this blue does look popping. In these twists, all I do is just do my little edges and then that'll be it. Okay, but yes, it is done, so I'm gonna let it dry and come back and show you guys the style and how I'm gonna style it for Bahamian colors. So I already have the blue and the black, which is the beginning of my hair. I tried not to do too much of my roots. Trying to do too much of my roots, but oh yeah. But the good thing about these is that it's easy to wash off. I just touched my hair, so it's all over now. But yeah, it's easy to wash off, so that won't be a problem if you're worried about it staining or anything. No, that won't be a problem. So stay tuned because I'm about to let this dry to see how it turns out. Hey guys, so I am back and my hair is dry and now you can actually see all of the blue. So I'm gonna loose these out and see, you know, how it's turning out. So I'm gonna start from the back. Usually I would use some oil to take it out with, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because the hair paint is easily taken off. So I don't wanna really put anything on my hair that may take it off, you know. Okay, so far the back is done and it looks nice, guys. I mean, it's transferring a tiny bit, but it looks nice. So I am done finally. Now just to figure out how exactly I am going to style this. At this moment I think I had an idea of what I was going to do by then. Of course you guys already know how I styled it, but yeah, let's leave the mystery there, guys. Let's leave the mystery. Okay guys, so I am done and I'm going to style it now. Trying to figure out a way to style it, but what I can say about it is that when you're using it, try not to use too much, because as it dries and the excess that is not bonded to your hair for the color to show, it's going to come off once you're trying to manipulate it and style it, and that's what happened. And also it's easy to wash off, like I said, but if you're a person you don't want anything on your hands, you could use gloves or whatnot. And it didn't, I don't know. Oh yeah, so when I was taking it off, when I was taking the twists out, of course, you know, it went on my shirt or whatnot. So I'd say don't wear a shirt that you actually want to keep. Okay, so for styling, I was thinking of slicking it to the side and putting some nice stuff right there, and that's what I'm going to do. So go on. Okay guys, so this is it, a little something. So I did the blue and then I put a little bit of gold right here, and of course their black would be my roots. And I want to say happy Independence Day, Bahamas. So now you have patriotic festive hair, even though we are in quarantine and we cannot move anywhere, but your hair is going to be festive. So I want to know if you guys are gonna try this, and if you do try it, I want you to send me some pictures and at me on Instagram at le_naturally. So I'll have it right here for you to see, and also it's going to be down in the description box if you cannot find my profile on Instagram. However, that is it, and that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, you can click the circle with my face is on. It's going to be somewhere here. Click that to subscribe as well, and there are going to be many other videos I have of hair that you can actually look at. It's going to be entertaining for you, just like this one would have been if you stayed to the end.